So you're seeing a paper jam error on your printer but don't know why it keeps jamming? This usually happens because of a dirty, unclean sensor or incorrect settings on your computer. I'll show you exactly where to look and how to clear it out. I've got some really simple methods lined up that'll get your printer back to normal in no time. And if you ever need direct help from a real expert, just call us at the numbers showing on the screen right now. Alright, let's jump right into the fixes. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Clean the paper registration sensor. Start by opening the cover of your printer and if needed, carefully disassemble it to locate the paper registration sensor. If you're not sure where to find it, check your printer's user manual first to avoid any mistakes along the way. Once you've found the sensor, grab an old toothbrush and gently clean it. Then make sure it's secured back in its place. Once that's done, go ahead and test your printer to see if the paper jam error has cleared up. If it didn't fix the error, try the second method given below. Method 2. Run the Troubleshooter on Windows. First, click on the Start button and open up Settings. Once Settings is open, look over to the left side and click on System. Next, scroll down until you spot Troubleshoot and click on it. On the following page, go ahead and click on Other Troubleshooters. Find Printer in the list and hit the Run button right next to it. And that's all you need to do. Windows will automatically scan for any printer problems. Just follow the instructions that pop up on your screen and let it take care of the rest. If the second method didn't work out for you, don't worry. Just move on to the next one and follow the steps from there. Method 3. Clear all pending queues. Head over to the search bar at the bottom of the screen, type in printers and scanners and click on it when it shows up. You'll see a list of printers. Just find your printer and click on it. Once there, click on Open Print Queue to bring up a new window. At the top of the window, click on the Printer tab. When the menu drops down, go ahead and click on Cancel All Documents. And finally, when the confirmation box pops up, click Yes to confirm. And just like that, your print queue is completely clear. Alright, if things still aren't sorted out, don't give up yet. Just move on to the last method and try restarting the print spooler to get things working again. Method 4. Restart the print spooler. Type Services into the search bar of your taskbar. Click on App when it appears. Once Services opens up, scroll down through the list until you find Print Spooler. Right-click on Print Spooler and select Stop. Now, go ahead and right-click on Print Spooler one more time. This time, select Properties from the menu. On the Properties page, check that Automatically is selected as the startup type. If it isn't, just open the drop-down and choose Automatic. Once that's set, go ahead and minimize the Services window for now. Next, press the Windows key plus E at the same time to open File Explorer. In File Explorer, look for this PC on the left and click on it. Now, go ahead and open the Windows C drive. On the next page, find the Windows folder and open it. Scroll down until you see System 32 and click on it. Now, look for the spool folder and open it. Next, click on the Printers folder, and when the confirmation prompt appears, go ahead and click Continue. Delete all files inside the folder. Finally, head back to Services window and restart the Print Spooler services, and you're done. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.